Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to avoid Freddy in 5 Nights at Freddy's 1. Freddy Fazbear is a formidable opponent who becomes active from Night 3. He follows a specific route to reach your office, so understanding his movements is key. You'll need to listen carefully for his distinct laugh, which signals his presence in different areas. Power management is crucial, as excessive camera use or door closures will quickly deplete your limited energy supply. Freddy's journey begins on the show stage, then he moves to the dining area. From there, he proceeds to the restrooms, then the kitchen, and finally the East Hall. You must use your camera system to track his progress through these 5 key locations. Pay close attention to cameras 1A, 1B, 7, 6, and 4B. His glowing eyes are a clear indicator of his position, even in the darkest corners of the pizzeria. When Freddy reaches your office, he will appear at the right door. Your immediate action should be to close the right door without hesitation. Unlike other animatronics, flashing the light will not make him leave. You must keep the door firmly shut until you hear his heavy footsteps recede into the distance. Only then is it safe to reopen the door, conserving your precious power for the rest of the night. Effective power management is vital for surviving the night. Constantly checking cameras or keeping doors closed for too long will rapidly deplete your power supply. Try to maintain your power usage below 100% per hour. Use your cameras only when necessary, specifically to confirm Freddy's current position. Remember to prioritize closing the right door only when Freddy is directly outside, as this is the most critical moment to conserve energy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.